Bumaba ako sa jeepney kung saan tayo'y dating magkatabi. Magkahalik ang pisngin nating dalawa, nating dalawa. Panyo mo sa aking bulsa, o ang kahapon mo'y naroon pa rin. Tawa natin humahalay sa init nating dalawa. Subalit ngayon wala na. Ikaw ay lumayo na. Naalala ko ang mga gabing nakahiga sa ilalim ng dalawakan. Naalala ko ang mga gabing magkatabi sa ulan.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Dolly from Dollie'cious Cravings, where we cook and explore food that brings joy to every craving. Today, I found a Filipino restaurant that is called KAIN Lokal PH. This restaurant has a super unique concept. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako as we explore their delicious menu. Tara! What makes this place stand out is their jeepney-style dining concept. Look at how they've set up the place, cozy with all these cool light bulbs. It's casual but so inviting. This restaurant is located at 219 Barangay Bonga Menor, Bustos, Bulacan. Their restaurant is located by the roadside, and sa front part ng restaurant nila, makikita nyo yung parking space nila. And I think spacious naman siya. Speaking of jeepney, did you know that jeepneys are more than just a form of transport? This is actually a symbol of Filipino culture and history. We tried their Sirloin Beef Tapa, the chicken burger, and the mini boodle that is good for 2 to 3 people. And then it comes with some soup, tapa soup. For coffee lovers, you love this. They'll give you unlimited sips of the brewed coffee for free. By the way, they use lukban vinegar for their dishes, which adds a special Filipino touch. Aside from the unique jeepney kitchen concept, the best part is you get to try delicious dishes from different parts of the Philippines. If you miss those places, this will remind you of home. The meals here are budget-friendly, and the servings, I think, generous naman siya. The food looks great, and you even get to watch the chefs prepare your meal right in front of you. How cool is that? Just a heads up, since the restaurant is near the road, the noise from traffic can affect the quietness of your dining experience. Saka since medyo may pagka-outdoor dining sila, may mga insects like mosquitoes. Pero of course, expected naman yun, di ba? Kasi hindi sila yung indoor dining type of restaurant. And here's a treat. They offer unlimited Java rice and pre-brewed coffee. Super sulit, right? Plus, they have Shawarma Lokal with a Filipino twist, big breakfast meals, pasta, burgers, sandwiches, and all-day boodle platters. That's perfect for couples or families. You can even choose a set for 2 to 3 people depending on your order. The vibe here is so chill and laid back, and the staff is really friendly. They're attentive and make sure you have everything you need for a great experience. There you have it! Remember, in this kitchen, it's all about love and happiness through food. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more food and travel adventures. This is Dollie'cious Cravings again, saying no hate, just love. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.